How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to O'Shavey today, where we're going to be heading off to the Newark bird sale. Now, I'm really excited for this. I think it's going to be the best one yet. I know that they've completely sold out of all the breeders' tables. They've put extra ones on and they've sold out too. So I think this is going to be an absolutely amazing show. We've got breeders from around the country all coming here today to sell their surplus stock. Me included, I'm going to have a big stand there with some surplus birds and cages for sale as well. So really looking forward to it. So let's head off to Newark. Good morning from Newark Bird Sale. We're here today, we're going to take a look around the show, but we are also selling a load of birds. So we've got some British birds, we've got a couple of canaries, we've got some mules I've bred, and a load of surplus cages. So really looking forward to the show today. Let's take a look around.
Dad who's just managed to stand at the moment. I won't mind another fair. So these are been in ivory? Yeah, to be honest, big ivory.
We've seen an amazing mix of birds so far. I mean, I think the military macaw particularly stood out to me so far, but some amazing things once again here at Newark. Really?
Oh, yeah. I paid £300.
So that's it, we're back from the Newark bird sale, and I must start by congratulating the organisers. I think Dean and all the staff at the EMBBA who run Newark have done an absolutely amazing job of doing what they've done with that show. It was as busy as I've ever seen it. I'm told by a lot of the older fanciers who've been to the show for many years that it was one of the best they've been to. I think the variety of birds was outstanding, and it was just a really, really good day. So if you're a bird keeper, bird breeder in the UK, I think Newark is probably coming into being one of, if not the best of the bird sales there is. So highly recommend visiting. Now, it's rare I come home without anything, and we haven't done that this year. We have come back with a few things and a feathered friend as well, which I'll show you soon. So I picked up a bit of a greenfinch mix from Shane. That's the first time I'll be trying the greenfinch mix of Direct Bird products, so I'm looking forward to trying that. Obviously we have quite a few greenfinches. I've picked up some more of the famous red poll mix as well from Direct Bird products. Absolutely fantastic stuff, highly recommend it. My red polls love it, the twites love it, so it's going down a treat at the moment, and we're getting through a lot of it. We picked up some Pro T5 lighting systems from Planet Avery, so massive thanks to Paul for sorting that out for us. We've also picked up a number of custom cage fronts. Now these are for the expansion of the conservation work that we're doing. So we've got the twites obviously, and we've got a number of other species that we've been looking at. So we have a load of these custom cage fronts made up to go on the flights that we're currently building. So if you want the details of the manufacture of the custom cage fronts, drop me a message and I'll forward you the details. And then I did say we also have a new feathered friend. So she is right up there. She is a common crossbill hen. She was bred at the north of Scotland, so I think she thinks she's on a summer holidays at the moment because the weather isn't awfully cold down there, and I hear it was pretty rough up there a couple of weeks ago. So yeah, we've got a common crossbill back. I'm not sure whether we're going to try and get a cockbird for her or we're going to try and do some hybrids with her, but let's take a closer look at her now. So yeah, that crossbill's an absolutely stunning bird. Really pleased to have her, and I've just got to decide exactly what we're going to do with her now, but there's not too many of them pop up, so I couldn't resist the urge to get her. Once again, by the way, massive thanks to the organisers for running such a great show, great sale. Newark, I thought, was absolutely fantastic, so massive credit to them. Great to catch up with a lot of the friends of the channel and the sponsors of the channel. So of course, Shane at Direct Bird Products, Jamie at Direct Bird Products, of course Sam at Sam1 Bird Products, and Paul at Planet Avery. So massive thanks to those guys as well. Always great to see you all. And a big thank you to everyone who came over, bought some stock directly from me at OC Avery at our stand. That was really good. It was great to see so many of you all have a chat, have some photos with people, and meet so many followers and fans of the channel. I really do appreciate it. But anyway, that is all we have time for. So if you'd like to see more, please make sure to subscribe down below, smash a like on this episode, follow us on social media, Instagram, Facebook and TikTok for daily updates and behind the scenes footage of all of our birds. So thank you very much for watching. Once again, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.